Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify themes. This is essential. If you want to tailor your online store's look and feel to match your brand identity and create a unique shopping experience for your customers. To begin, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now that you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here you'll find various options for managing your store. Look for and click on Online Store. This section is where all your theme customization and content management happens, giving you complete control over how your storefront appears to visitors. After clicking Online Store, your available themes will appear on the screen. Browse through them and select the theme you want to work with. Once you've chosen your theme, click Edit Theme. This action opens up the theme editor, which is your main workspace for making visual changes to your store. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the top right corner of the editor. You'll notice a Deactivate Inspector icon. You can click this if you want to turn off the inspector feature. Right next to it, you'll see desktop, mobile, and full screen icons. These are incredibly useful as they allow you to switch between different views, helping you ensure your store looks perfect on all devices. Now, shift your focus to the left side of the screen where you can see all the sections that make up your theme. Let's try editing something to see how it works. Click on the Hero section. As soon as you do this, an editing panel will appear on the right side. This panel gives you access to multiple customization options. Here you can edit the image, adjust the section link, modify the layout, change the appearance, and adjust padding to get everything looking just right. To dive deeper into customization, let's click on a text block within the Hero section. As you'll notice, the editing panel on the right side will change to show options specific to text. Now you can change the actual text if needed. Adjust its typography to match your brand font and fine-tune the appearance and padding to ensure proper spacing and visual hierarchy. Also worth noting, on the left side panel you have some powerful management tools. You can click the trash can icon to delete blocks or sections that you don't need. This keeps your theme clean and focused. Additionally, you can add new sections here, allowing you to build out your store's design exactly how you envision it. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations and changes, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click Save. This ensures all your hard work is preserved and will be visible to your customers when they visit your store. You've now customized your Shopify theme to better reflect your brand and create a more engaging shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.